Take a ride in the 2023 CR-V Hybrid. The Honda CR-V Hybrid offers a powertrain with plenty of energy, a cabin with plenty of room, and a ride with plenty of comfort. This is all in addition to the fact it's a hybrid vehicle and the additional efficiency that it offers. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, cloth seat trim, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass, low tire pressure warning. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.